Hi, good afternoon. James Braithwaite here again. A lot of people would probably think I should be in a padded cell, but this time I am making a padded van. You know, I got this matting from Halford's because it's a really good non-slip stuff and it's quite thick. So it'll easily survive the shock of engines and whatnot that I have to carry. So to begin, let's see how it fits about. This looks like it might do the job. Subvert it. I'll probably have to do a little bit of cutting, but that's really not bad. Take a look at that. All sorts of tools and things lying about. This stuff won't slip about now. Check a load of this. I've got to, you know, sort of put a bit around the, well, cut a bit around the wheel arches, you know, just to make them fit perfectly. But other than that, I think we're on to a winner. So, James Braithwaite here, signing off. I will see you in the next one. Bye.